Climates of India MCQs. What is climate? The day to day weather conditions, the average weather conditions over a long period, the wind direction, sudden rainfall. The answer is the average weather conditions over a long period. Which monsoon brings the majority of rainfall to India? Northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon, retreating monsoon, winter monsoon. The answer is southwest monsoon. Which factor does not affect the climate of India? Latitude, altitude, distance from the moon, proximity to the sea. The answer is distance from the moon. What is the height of a place above sea level called? Latitude, altitude, topography, longitude. The answer is altitude. Which of the following is a natural disaster caused by heavy rainfall? Cyclone, landslide, flood, forest fire. The answer is flood. What is a cyclone? A type of cloud, a violent storm with strong winds, a flood caused by rain, a dry wind from the desert. The answer is a violent storm with strong winds. The dry region on the leeward side of mountains that receives little rainfall is called monsoon region, rain shadow area, flood plain, desert area. The answer is rain shadow area. Which winds cause rainfall in southeast India during October to December? Southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, western disturbances, trade winds. The answer is northeast monsoon. Humidity refers to the temperature of the air, the amount of water vapor in the air, the pressure of air, the wind speed. The answer is the amount of water vapor in the air. Which of the following is not a factor determining climate? Latitude, altitude, ocean currents, population density. The answer is population density. Which part of India experiences tropical climate? Himalayas, coastal regions and plains, desert regions only, Arctic region. The answer is coastal regions and plains. The monsoon season in India generally begins in January, March, June, November. Answer is June. Forest fires are often caused by heavy rainfall, lightning or human carelessness, snowfall, earthquakes. The answer is lightning or human carelessness. Which is not a characteristic of the subtropical climate? Hot summers, mild winters, heavy snowfall throughout the year, distinct seasons. The answer is heavy snowfall throughout the year. What is the effect of proximity to the sea on climate? Causes extreme temperatures, causes moderate temperatures and humidity, no effect on climate, causes dryness. The answer is causes moderate temperatures and humidity. What causes landslides? Strong winds, heavy rainfall or earthquakes, cyclones, drought. The answer is heavy rainfall or earthquakes. The main cause of climate change is natural disasters only, Human activities such as pollution and deforestation, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions only. The answer is human activities such as pollution and deforestation. Which winds are also called retreating monsoon? Southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, trade winds, westerlies. Answer is northeast monsoon. Latitude affects climate because it controls distance from the sea, it determines the angle of the sun's rays, it causes earthquakes, it controls altitude. The answer is it determines the angle of the sun's rays. The western disturbances bring winter rainfall to which part of India? Southern India, Western India, Northern India, especially Punjab and Haryana, Eastern India. The answer is Northern India, especially Punjab and Haryana.